Website builders such as Wix and Squarespace are a close second to web hosting and VPNs as the most popular affiliate categories. As the first step in creating a website for a blogger is selecting a web host, the same is true for entrepreneurs and company owners wishing to develop a website. Furthermore, because paying customers typically stay for 24 to 36 months and have a high lifetime value, SaaS companies can afford to pay more than 100% of the monthly sale price. Here are my recommendations for the top website and e-commerce affiliate programs. 1. Wix. Wix is a high-quality website builder with a mind-boggling 100 million users. They offer their affiliates $100 per transaction to get started, plus they have a ton of amazing landing pages in many languages. Furthermore, utilizing Wix is one of the simplest and least expensive ways to establish a simple website to include and monetize affiliate connections. 2. BigCommerce. BigCommerce is a software-as-a-service e-commerce platform that has over 60,000 businesses. Because of their built-in features and excellent functionality, they are renowned as the e-commerce platform of choice for developing brands. Their e-commerce affiliate network provides a substantial 200% reward payment on the plan price, which means you can make $60, $160, $250, or $1,500 each paying customer. They have a cookie that lasts 90 days and offer banners, text links, and a weekly affiliate newsletter with content templates and SEO guidance. 3. Shopify. Shopify is the most popular e-commerce website builder in the world, with 400,000 merchants and a generous 200% commission on paid stores. Their name recognition leads to consistent conversion rates. In addition, their website has useful affiliate FAQs and advertising ideas. 4. ClickMeter. ClickMeter is a website link tracking business that pays up to a 90% commission per transaction when you promote their tool. Their program is in ShareASale, they have a specialized affiliate staff, and you may make up to $891 each sale. I ranked them high on this list because of their high commission rate and helpful affiliate team. 5. AliDropship. AliDropship is a dropshipping e-commerce platform with two distinct solutions, a full online shop option and its add-ons, plugins, and themes. Their affiliate network gives partners trial access to plugins, a 30-day cookie window, advertising, content templates, and up to 50% revenue, which means a single sale can earn you up to $869. They make timely payments through PayPal. 6. Weebly. Weebly is a simply website builder with over 40 million users. Although it is not the most advanced website builder, its drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly simple to create a quick website. They provide a 30% recurring commission for as long as the consumer remains active, as well as a generous 120-day cookie. 7. Site 123. Site 123 is another well-known website builder that allows you to construct mobile-friendly websites with a large selection of themes and a simple user interface. Their affiliate program offers up to $182 in payments, and you can withdraw funds after earning $300 in earnings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.